some basic courses that if you're an adult learner wanting to get into forensics or just starting out in the field of forensics that are really good introductions to forensic science. Those could really give somebody the perspective if they want to continue on, or if maybe forensics isn't for them, they don't like the gross factor or the science factor. And then there's some advanced courses that are more discipline specific to help people that might already be in forensics decide which area they'd like to go into. We try to incorporate as many hands-on practical exercises into our online courses. A lot of times people are very negative at first when they think about online learning until they actually experience it for themselves. We've had many people say, what can you teach me online that I can't get on site? Well, we do things like videos and activities and practical exercises. We're actually requiring them to take that information, go out and maybe do a photography assignment and come back and provide that to the instructor. So it's basically like they're on site without having the instructor right in front of them. Transition to Leadership is a course that's geared towards managers and supervisors and just gives a perspective on the management side of things as opposed to just straight forensics. Evidence Analysis Beyond the Crime Scene is a wonderful course that merges both the crime scene with the laboratory. It's kind of that in-between that says you're going from the crime scene, you've already done the processing and collection, and now what? Where does it go? Who's the next person that's going to handle it? And how does that get processed before it goes into specific areas within the lab? Fibers and textiles for forensic scientists is a very specific topic, but the ones who are taking it are definitely interested in the chemistry side of things, interested in fibers, and wanting to know not just about the processing of fibers, but where the fibers and evidence come from in order to help them better work the cases from start to finish. Hair evaluation is a great course for those that are in the DNA field, not so much the trace evidence field. It allows people to see what should be submitted for DNA analysis and what could be viewed just microscopically, and it can save a lot of time and money and effort on the laboratory's part. Continuing education definitely helps separate individuals in the workforce. It shows who's really taking that step in advancing their knowledge, in looking into other disciplines outside of what they're currently working in. It could help promotions. It can definitely help status within professional organizations. It helps them when they're testifying to solidify them as an expert. So there's a lot of definitely positive benefits that can come from it.